Have you ever noticed that some search results show different information than others? Maybe you've seen a result with a star rating, or with a price, or a recipe that looks different from the other results. These unique results in the SERPs are called rich results. Think of rich results as enhanced results in Google search with extra visual or interactive features. To get rich results for a web page, you should add structured data to the page, which is code used to describe a web page content better to search engines. Structured data markup is a way of providing additional machine-readable information within a web page. Search engines use structured data to display content in useful ways in search results. That, in turn, can help attract just the right kind of customers for a business. For example, if you're an e-commerce analyst for an online store and use structured data to mark up an individual page, this helps the Google search engine understand the page features for the product, such as its price and customer reviews. In addition to a product, you can mark up information for an organization, such as its location, opening hours, events, videos, or recipes, and its logo. It's important to know that just because you add structured data markup to a web page doesn't guarantee it will show up in the search results. Ultimately, the Google algorithm will determine if the rich results display and for what type of searches. Schema is the type of code used for the structured data markups. Now, depending on the type of platform a website is built on, there may be third-party software that helps you add the markups without dealing with the schema code. To make the process easier, try to determine if the software is available before trying to learn the code. Additionally, if you work for a larger company, they may have engineers that write this code. It may not be the responsibility of the digital marketer. Once you add the structured data markup to your content, you can ensure there are no mistakes with your implementation with the Google Rich Results test. To run the test, enter in the URL for the web page. You'll have results within a minute or two. Running this test ensures you aren't using invalid markup on the web page. If it's invalid, it won't show up in the search results. After you've added structured data to several pages of your website, Google Search also provides information about which pages it detects have a specific type of markup. You can review this data in a tool you'll learn more about called Google Search Console. One important note to remember: never add fake data to the structured data markup. For example, you don't want to provide fake reviews or any irrelevant markups that don't add value to the searcher. Let's cover some of the most popular rich results and what they visually look like. The rich results for a product may include the price, availability, and review ratings. These pieces of structured data are information that a potential e-commerce customer may be interested in. Having this rich result may make them more likely to click on your results over competitors. Rich results for a review snippet may include the review rating and the number of ratings. The review is usually an average of the combined rating scores from reviewers on the website. A review snippet can be about a book, a recipe, a movie, a product, software app, or local business. The rich results for an article are typically for websites that publish timely information. This rich result isn't just for news sites. If your website publishes any articles with industry information, you may want to consider the article markup. The last rich results example review is for a video. The information for a video may include the option to play the video, specific video segments, and if it's live stream content. You now know more about the different types of enhanced results in the SERPs. The next time you perform an internet search, look closely at the results. Rich results have rich results. Do you find the websites with rich results or more appealing to those without? Are they providing you with more information? Becoming aware of what information is available in the search results will help you be more successful in digital marketing e-commerce analyst roles.